2026년 7월 11일 플로리다 키웨스트의 한 호텔에서 한 커플이 몸싸움을 벌였다는 신고가 접수돼 경찰이 출동했습니다.
How you doing? So what's going on?
Okay, so I was up in my room and I'm with my boyfriend. We were listening to music and like just hanging out, and then a random number called, and it was a guy that doesn't like him. So he started talking shit, and of course my boyfriend answered, and he wouldn't let me take my phone. He destroyed my phone, and then he took me and he threw me across the room.
He destroyed your phone?
He destroyed it.
And where's your phone at?
It's in the room.
Let me see your hands. What happened to your fingers?
He threw me, and I don't know, I guess something cut it, but he literally threw me. And I asked him for my phone back, and he wouldn't give it back. And then I luckily got my stuff, but I'm pretty sure there's some stuff in the room still.
So there was an argument because
a guy called and he answered my phone. So he took it and he destroyed it. My phone's in there.
And who's the guy that called?
I have someone I met tonight, like just like
random?
nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Did he hit you anywhere or anything like that? Where did he hit you?
He just like pushed me, and I went across the bed, and I like tumbled, and then I got up, and my hand was cut.
So he pushed you, and then you kind of like pushed you across
and
the
then
bed.
He threw my stuff out, and he was like, "You can leave," and I said, "Okay." And then he went like this with my phone, and then he crushed it on the.
Okay. Is this everything that you own?
I think so. I'm pretty sure I still have some stuff in there.
Okay. Did you start packing, and then he was where was he at the time?
Taking my phone.
Okay. All right. You have any marks around your neck or anything like
He was
that?
holding me like this.
What?
새벽 4시 경찰은 신고를 한 여성의 이야기를 먼저 듣고 있습니다.
Because I said, I'm going to go to the lobby and call the cops.
He grabbed you by the neck? And when did he grab you by the neck?
It was on the floor. He pushed me to the floor, and he was grabbing me
Okay, so
by
when
the
he
neck.
pushed you first, right? You said he pushed you. You went across the bed, right? And then was it after that when he was on the ground?
Yeah, and he was like, "You're talking to other." Yeah.
So
And then he was holding
and
me
he was
like
holding
this.
you like that by his neck.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have ID on you?
I think.
What room is it? 1204.
I think he has. Yeah, he has my Chanel purse.
What's his name?
Robert.
Robert.
By Jay. Yeah, he has my purse.
Okay.
And that has my ID.
Okay. The room is under whose name?
His, but I'm on it.
The reservation is under Robert.
But
So
he
her
put
name.
he did put me on it. I made sure.
Her name's not on there too. Then it's just solely under his.
Under his.
Just under his. Okay. Do me a favor. Just wait right here. Okay.
Hello, Key West Police Department.
Key West Police Department. Hey, don't step out. Go ahead and step out for me. You have any, here, come on. No, I don't have anything on. What's going on? What's your name, boss?
Make sure I have my key, my room key.
Robert. So you kicked your girlfriend out?
Yeah, I told her she had to
Do me a
leave.
favor. Step over here.
I don't know if I don't have my room key.
It's okay.
Okay.
Figure it out.
We'll keep it open.
Where's her phone at? I don't have it. She took all her stuff and left.
Okay.
That's not.
She doesn't have her phone or her purse.
Well, I don't have it either. You can search me.
Mind if I take a
No,
look?
go ahead. I ain't got nothing to hide.
So talk to us. What happened?
She started getting physical with me. I just asked her to leave. It happens every time we go out of town. I paid $10,000 to come on vacation. I'm just asking her to get out there.
So she started to get physical with
Yeah,
you? Where?
these are from last week. I mean, this one was from Miami. She stabbed the shit out of me, and it was a huge ass bruise.
Right.
Yeah, I
Did she
know.
hit you in the ear or something?
Probably. She bust my lip, everything.
Yeah.
I just don't want her. I don't want anything physical. I just ask her to leave.
So what happened tonight? Like, not what happened in Miami last week or 2 months ago. What happened tonight?
We came back. I mean, I wasn't really being intimidated to her. Like she wanted me to. She wanted to ask. I did not want to ask her because some dude called her on her phone. She tried to hide her phone. She has her phone, and the dude. She answered it. She's like, "You can answer it." I swiped left. He's like, "Oh, remember when you topped me off last night?" And I was like, "Can you please leave? Can you just please leave? I'm not paying $300 for this room for you to be out there when I came home early and somebody over here calling you, telling you just topped me off. You know what top me off means?
No.
That means you just got
Right.
So I told her, just leave. I told her, pack your stuff. I didn't touch any of her stuff. Her phone's probably in her suitcase.
Right.
Yeah, like,
So how you have blood all over you?
These are from Houston.
This is your blood or her blood?
It's probably my blood. My blood
Let's see your
buster.
blood. Yeah, I don't see anything.
Let's see your ear there. It's got blood on it.
Yeah, I mean, $300. I'm not trying to.
Then you got blood in the back.
Yeah, it's probably from her smacking me and her nail broke and it probably busted all over my ear. I got nothing on except for all her bruises. I got one right here too from last week.
Yeah, we're just talking about tonight. What happened?
Yeah,
tonight?
no, I'm just trying to tell you about what
So the argument ensued over
somebody called her and she topped him off.
Were you guys
So I
not
told her
together
that-
last night?
No, we were, and then we separated. But
Why-
I came back to the room because I was a little too drunk.
Yeah, so
When she gets back, she's trying to get all on me, and I was like, you know, you smell like cologne. Somebody calls her, it's another dude. She said, answer it. I was like, hey, what's up, bro? He's like, what's up, bro?
Right.
He's like, your girl just topping me off in the car. I was like, all right, get out, please. Just get out, please. So she starts getting all up on me, and there's nothing wrong. I don't have her phone.
And so that happened tonight. So she got home smelling like cologne.
No, but she didn't get home smelling like cologne. Like, I didn't care about the cologne.
Yeah.
She's at the club. She's out, like, on the Wall Street.
Yeah.
I might smell like perfume.
What's in your bag? Is that your backpack?
Yeah, that's my bag.
What's in your backpack?
All my clothes.
All your clothes?
Yeah.
You mind if I look in there just see if you
Okay,
got?
you can search everything.
So you guys are from Texas, Robert?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not drunk. I wish I was.
You smell like you got alcohol in your breath.
No, we've been drinking, but I drink a lot.
Yeah, no.
No, that's what I'm saying. She likes to drink.
Yeah,
All right.
she's more.
Buy me shot. Dude, we've been here for 5 days. I spent $8,000. I'm like, I'm stressed out about the money.
What happened when you found out? So that guy called Ray. He said whatever. She.
I
gave
just
him a
asked her to
blowjob.
leave.
You
She
just
started
asked her to
slapping
leave.
and shouting. She said, I'm not talking to anybody. I'm not talking. You talked to your ex. You had your ex in the car the other day. I'm like, that's the other day. We're over here in Key West. Like, forget about dropping. I want her to stay here, but I can't have her stay here. I'll get her another room right here down the hallway because I feel bad. But I'm not gonna put up with that shit. Like,
So you were
another
trying to
dude
get her to
calling.
leave, and she just started.
Yeah, it's always like that. Shit, look at her hands. Her nails are so long. I didn't peel them off. She over here getting so aggressive. Am I getting kicked out the hotel?
We're trying to find everything.
That's not up to us.
God damn.
That's not up to us. That's up to the hotel. So bottom line, and I kind of heard you too, right? So somebody called her phone. You answered the phone. It was another dude.
Like, she's literally on top of me. She's like riding me. Somebody called her phone. It's
What do you
3
mean
o'clock.
she's riding you?
We're having.
Okay. All
Somebody
right. So
called
you
her
get,
phone. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
right, and then some. Okay. While that is happening,
Yeah,
while
she
that
takes her phone. I said, answer it. She said, we'll answer it right now. He's like, you remember when you gave me top in the car? I was like, Melissa, get out. Please get out. Just get out. She starts packing all of her stuff up in a hurry. Probably trying to go meet him. Go ahead, go meet him. I got my own room. I don't know where homeboy's staying. That's where she's probably going. I'm telling you, I will get her a room.
How did her phone end up like this?
Probably she thrown it. I thought it was in her damn car.
Okay,
I mean, in her suitcase.
It was over there, but she said her phone wasn't like this.
Look at my phone. Where's my phone?
Over there somewhere.
Find my phone. Look, see what it looks like. She probably both of them up, trying to set me up.
Your phone don't look like it's messed up or anything.
It's not.
No.
Can you take a picture with it?
Yeah. Why?
You can.
Yeah.
Take a picture of it. Take a picture of your feet. So he smashed it. She
So
smashed her
he's,
phone.
I think it was on his right knee. I don't know. I was like,
Whatever.
yeah.
Left, right.
So, and then I saw it got shattered. This isn't the first time he shattered a phone. And then he took it to the desk where the phone or the TV's at, and he smashed it on there.
Okay,
And then I said, "Where is it?" And
what kind of phone? It's like
It's
an
an
iPhone.
iPhone.
Oh, iPhone. Okay.
4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. So, were there any kind of pushing and shoving going on?
Oh no, yeah, I got slapped a couple times.
You got slapped a couple times.
I might have a tooth missing.
So there was shoving going on between both of y'all.
No.
Shoving, slapping, whatever. the
Between
case may
both,
be.
now you're making assumptions. It was
I'm
between
asking,
her.
I'm
No,
asking, I'm not
okay, I'm
making
telling you.
assumptions.
I'm telling you, it was between me and her. She was pushing me.
Okay. What you're saying is your side of the story. All right. I am not.
Yeah, there's
saying-
3 sides of the story. There's hers, mine, and the truth. There's no
Okay,
cameras in here,
So,
so
you're not telling me the truth. then?
I am telling you the truth.
You
Why
just
would I
said-
lie?
You just said the 3 sides of the story. Yours, hers, and the truth.
Exactly.
So
So
you're not telling me the truth? then?
I am telling you the truth.
How long did you plan on staying here?
Until Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you told me that I was on the reservation and I'm not. But luckily I met these nice people, so I'm probably just gonna go stay in their room.
All right. Well, stay with me before you
Okay,
leave to
that's
other
fine.
rooms.
Yeah.
So
I just
why
told
would
you.
there
I
be
just
3
told you. I
sides
just
then?
told you. Look at my phone. You think I would bust my phone up like that?
I have no idea.
Okay, so you're coming at me for a busted up phone. It's like I got a
because-
busted up phone too. Where's my phone?
I have no idea. Your phone's over there. I put it back where it was.
Okay, thank you, but I can't even take a picture with my phone.
Okay. How did I know that wasn't like that before?
I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna tell you yes or no.
Okay, but like for somebody that knew that your phone couldn't take pictures, if it was busted up,
I tried to
how
record
would you
her
know
going
that?
crazy. All right, I tried to record her going crazy. I couldn't record it because my shit was thrown around on the damn floor right here.
So is this person, is this your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Is this a hookup? What is
Boyfriend.
this? It's your boyfriend. How long have you guys been together?
Like 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Do you know he's come down here before?
No.
Have
This
you
is
been
his
down
first time.
here?
Yes.
Have you been down here
No,
with
yeah.
him before?
No.
Do you know that he's been down here before?
No. Wait.
No?
No.
Causing issues in hotels, fighting? No?
두 사람은 서로 다른 곳에서 전혀 다른 이야기를 하고 있습니다. 하지만 지금까지는 누구의 말을 믿어야 할지 알 수 없습니다.
I'm supposed to have it till Sunday.
Okay.
I am.
I understand that. I get that.
I mean, if she can calm down, I know y'all not going to let her back in the room, but if she can calm down, I'll get her another room. I do not care about that. Like, this is supposed to be a relaxing vacation.
Yeah. But,
it's-
but this is what's going to happen. All right? Do me a favor. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put cuffs on it.
What did I do?
Both of you are going to jail for battery. All right? Because one, your story is one, her story is another side. There's obviously there's blood or whatever. All right?
It's my blood. It's leaking
Yeah,
from me.
okay, but the thing is, she's saying you pushed her, you're saying she slapped her. I don't know what's the truth. All right, in Florida, domestic violence, we don't play around with that.
I understand
All
that.
right, we don't play around with that. So what's going to happen is both of y'all are going to go to jail for battery. All right, because we don't know who to believe. So when we don't know what the truth is, both of y'all go.
Can I get my phone, though?
Yeah, you'll get your phone.
And I guess she's gonna go into the room with these people right here. His story kind of lines if that's true.
경찰은 두 사람의 진술을 모두 확인했습니다. 양쪽의 주장 모두 어느 정도 앞뒤가 맞았기 때문에 추가 조사를 위해 두 사람 모두 체포하기로 했습니다. 당시 경찰은 이 사건을 연인 사이에서 벌어진 단순 폭행 사건으로 판단했습니다.
Put your arms behind your back.
Why? What? Why am I being arrested?
This is your phone and this is your purse, right?
What?
Okay.
What?
Ma'am, both of y'all, all right? He's saying you hit him.
I didn't.
Okay, listen. He's got some marks on his face. You got some marks on your body. All right. In Florida, we don't mess around when it comes to domestic violence. You guys are both in a relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend. All right. We don't know who's telling the truth. Okay. But what we do know for a fact is there was some kind of altercation. All right. There's a push, shoving, slap, whatever. I get it. I understand it. But at the end of the day, we do not play around with domestic violence. So both of you are going to jail. You guys are going to go to arraignment in the morning, and you guys are going to sit in front of a judge, and the judge is going to decide. All right? So this is what's going to happen. Your suitcase and this bag is going to go back up in the room, 12:04. All right? You guys got the room to Sunday, correct? Your purse and your phone is going to go with you to the jail. Okay?
두 사람 모두 폭행 혐의로 체포됐지만 이 영상이 공개된 시점까지도 정확한 사건 결과는 확인되지 않았습니다. 영상 아래에는 해외 시청자들의 다양한 댓글도 이어졌습니다. 여러분은 이 사건을 어떻게 보셨나요? 여러분의 생각을 댓글로 남겨주세요.